Hey everybody, happy Friday. Renovation video number 18. The first thing you're going to see is, yes, meat is in Centerville, Iowa. There is a Centerville, Iowa. His school, Indian Hills, is out there. So anyways, enough about Meathead. You're going to see a lot of updates going through and everything. Flooring, cabinets, bathroom, everything coming together, just as far as the renovation goes. My video and pictures is not great this week, still getting caught up. But anyways, that's the update for the week. If you have any questions, still trying to buy a home before the end of the year, 513-594-9218. Look forward to hearing from you. We'll have some more updates and stuff next Friday on Black Friday. Enjoy the weekend. Look forward to speaking with you soon.